Okay guys, so another feature that I want to share with you to increase the number of your subscriber is how to create a subscribe clickable link. Okay, so without further ado, let's start. Okay, so click your avatar here. Okay, then you go to settings. Okay, to get your channel name, right? Okay, so that's my name there. You'll be on the block. So copy this URL, right? And paste it somewhere in your in a WordPad, right? So in my case, I have placed it already here. Here's my channel link, and plus you must type this question mark sub underscore confirmation equals 1. After that, you just need to copy this, okay, Control C, and then place it here at the end of your channel name, Control V. Then you'll be having a YouTube subscribe clickable link. So look at this, okay? So go to the clickable subscribe link, and then okay, so it's opening, right? So as you can see, there's the subscribe channel link. So as simple as that. By doing that, you can paste this on your YouTube description, and voila, you have a instant subscribe clickable link. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.